hell did you just throw? Put down the phone. Stop throwing your food out the fucking window. And Varro's heating oil ran the red light. Between them. Huh? No. I mean, you could just be like this asshole who's diving over to the left instead of sitting there blocking traffic. What the hell? These pedestrians make me miss one more fucking light. You fucking scumbags! No turn on red. Goddamn pedestrians hitting every goddamn pedestrian walk button today. It's supposed to be on the sidewalk. Everybody here has a no turn on red, okay. But Subaru's going anyway because Subaru. Where are you going, lady, huh? Yeah, that's a really slow roll. Yeah, it stopped, not slow roll. You're supposed to stop back there too. Yeah, no. You're supposed to stop at the stop sign, Grandma. No blonde. The truck can't be in the left lane. I don't think a motorhome towing your car can. I don't think that's right. Here it comes. Stop sign. Well, stop! You didn't stop. Neither did you, Roto-Rooter. Is the biker gonna stop? No, he did. I'm stopping. I know there's shit gonna be happening behind me any second now, but he rolled the stop. Porsche's gonna roll the stop, you know it. Right? Yeah, she did. And more rolling behind me. Yep, 1, 2, and I think the Prius did, and watch this. Someone's not turning from the turn lane. Yep. Didn't see that coming. Alright. It's not the green arrow, so you have to stop before you turn. You gotta stop before you turn. You gotta stop before you turn, because we don't have the green arrow. You gotta stop. Oh. You got a possibility back here. Did that one stop? Yeah. Can't be involved with the crosswalk. No, not her. Nope, 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 nope. Just walk randomly out into the street, people. No problem. Jesus. By the way, I'd like to point out the ingenious way they hide the emergency lights in the spoiler on the roof. Now, very slick. Did he just go to direct to left lane? Is that my imagination? What just happened there? I was looking at the roof spoiler again. I don't know. A stop sign. It's a stop sign. Jeep. Either of you. Someone was coming. Why didn't you look? Whoa! Super douche. I'm never going to be able to stay home. That's at the end of it. Yeah. Hello! Hello, 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 hello! Oh, for Christ's sakes, let's go. Gee. Help me, God, help me! You have to stop too, douchebag. Really? Really you do. By the way, the individual Patti LaBelle sweet potato pies have disappeared from Walmart. I'm not happy about this. Thank you. It's a stop sign, idiot. Stop sign fusion. What could you pay attention to what I'm saying and then answer the question as I... Yeah. Well, I guess they're closed, huh? What the fuck is going on here? Oh, Jesus H. Christ. More Starbucks bullshit. Oh, look, Bigfoot.
Overwhelmed by coronavirus. Thousands of people here are calling 911 when they feel sick. They may have a symptom associated with coronavirus.
Sit there all day, lady! Wake up!
Call a doctor instead of an ambulance unless it's a true emergency. On Thursday alone, paramedics here responded to more than 6,000 medical incidents.
I believe that, yeah, he went from the wrong lane. Fuck you! Get a fucking stop sign! Bro douche motherfucker. I think he rolled it. And stop. Yeah, that's a stop. That's not a stop. And And this is not a stop. And that's not a stop behind me because Subaru. And that's not a stop behind me because Subaru. Well, you're sitting at the green, dum-dum. Yeah, sat through a green. Are we gonna stop? No. No. Watch him run the next stop too, just for shits and giggles. Yep, there's a roll. Yep. Thank you. There's a roll. Fudge it, I don't care. There was a roll. In front of a cop, too. Cop ain't gonna do anything, sure. You know, whatever. Alright.